1,000 years of discovery. How do you even begin to map a galaxy 2.5 million light-years away? For most of human history, it was impossible. It all started with a simple glance. In 964 AD, the Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi looked up and noted a nebulous smear in his star charts, the first known record of Andromeda. For centuries, that's all it remained. It took another 650 years before anyone got a closer look, when in 1612, German astronomer Simon Marius aimed a primitive telescope at it. But the first true revelation of its structure came in the 1840s. Using a colossal 72-inch telescope named the Leviathan of Parsonstown, the Irish nobleman William Parsons, the third Earl of Ross, became the first person to resolve the spiral structure in a nebula. This telescope was a true engineering marvel of its time, and its immense light-gathering power revealed what no human eye had ever seen. This discovery ignited the astronomical community, inspiring the first-ever photograph of Andromeda in 1888 by amateur astronomer Isaac Roberts. His image, which required a difficult multi-hour exposure on a fragile glass plate, clearly showed its magnificent spiral arms. A fuzzy patch in the sky was slowly revealing itself to be something far grander and more complex than anyone had ever conceived.